All right, business news now. We're back over to Mike Eppel. Let's start with the markets, Mike, and the role that it's been on.
Yeah, it's been a really good start to 2019. Good morning, Melanie, with investors buying in as, well, some of this has to do with the fact that interest rates haven't been going up, and now the bet is that interest rates might be going down. They certainly have been falling in the bond market, and this has given a jolt to stocks. They sometimes trade inverse, and so far this year, with just a few more days to go in the first quarter of 2019, the TSX is up 12%, the Nasdaq's up 16%, and the Dow Jones up by 10%. One of the Dow component companies is Boeing, and even with the recent issues with the 737 MAX jets and the grounding of those planes, Boeing stock is still up by 14% year to date. The company today begins the, well, rebuilding of consumer and customer confidence in those planes. Boeing will be hosting about 200 pilots and aircraft company executives at the company production facility just outside Seattle, talking about the software patch that is going to go into those 737 MAX. It's the software issues related to the anti-stall flight controls that may have been the root cause of the Lion Air and Ethiopian Airlines crashes. Bond market freaking out a little bit this morning as a U.S. Nominee for the Federal Reserve, the central bank there, by U.S. President Donald Trump, Stephen Moore, is calling for an immediate interest rate reduction for the U.S. central bank. And that is shaking things up on the morning markets. We're seeing bond yields taking another tumble this morning, again, with some traders thinking that the next move for the North American economy could be to a recession. And this morning, Roger, we're going to learn the details of Lyft and its initial public stock offering. They're going to set the price for you to buy into the second biggest ride-hailing company in and around $62 to $68 per share, and figure it's going to go up right off the bat when it does eventually begin trading, because all of these IPOs are hot commodities on Wall Street.
You putting some money down on that?
No, I will not be.
Really?
But that is just, no, I'm not. I want to see a company develop before I get into it.
Oh, okay.
That's just me.
That's all right. Has it worked for you?
Yes.
Okay. Well, then you go. That's
we'll leave it there.
It's a good theory. And Mike.